Your tail slapped her. Hey Madness fam, I got some request comments about making another cooking vlog, so here we go. So this is my new toy. It's basically a hot plate. I put turkey bacon on it because it doesn't have that much fat like regular bacon. Next, I will heat up some cheese. Next, I have some Chobani Greek yogurt, the strawberry blend. Baby Bugs and I love this one. If you never had hot cheese or fried cheese, you should try it. It's really good. It's kind of like a pancake, but a cheesy pancake. Baby Bugs breakfast from the spoon. Now let's go sugar. I'm so proud of him. He was laying there and baby's eating. Usually I have to tie him when Baby Bugs is eating. Usually I have to tie him up with his leash. I'm not gonna tie you, you good boy. See, he comes when I grab it, he knows when she's eating. Wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? He likes the camera. Hold on, let me flip you guys. Hi, Madness fam. Hi, Madness fam. Hi, Madness fam. Wanna say hi? Bubbles wants to say hi. Hi, Madness fam. Oh, you slapped her in the face. Your tail slapped her. I love you. Oh, I love you too. He is a boxer pit mix. He is the friendliest dog in the world. Oh, look at him. I think I have a comment. Someone commented asking how old he was. He's 2 years old. He is not neutered. Okay. All right. Okay, Scooby, say bye. Oh, bye. So I went a little grocery shopping. I'm not gonna do a haul on the end of this video, but I went a little food shopping, and I bought healthy snacks only for my kids because I bought ice cream the last time. It was Tropolian ice cream, and it was the banana split kind. So it was a Tropolian banana split ice cream, and it had like the chocolate vanilla swirl, chocolate with walnuts, and then the strawberry with strawberry pieces, and then it tastes like a hint of banana. I bought it. I only had, me and my fiance only tried the ice cream one time after I bought it, and the kids just ransacked and ate that whole thing of ice cream in one day. One or 2 days. Let me see. I'll give them 2 days. Let's give them like a day and a half. Not even a full 2 days. So like a day and a half. So me and fiance decided, we came to an agreement, and we decided to only get healthy snacks for the kids from now on, since they want to eat all the snacks like crazy. So we only got healthy snacks. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Wish me luck, because I have almost 13-year-old and an almost 11-year-old. So it's like their attitudes are I got them original veggie sticks. I got them cheddar cheese rice snacks. And then I got them ranch veggie straws because my daughter loves ranch. Then I got Sims, how do you say, is it Sims? Snack sticks, the beef sausage. I got them baked chocolate wafer snacks. And then I got them trail mix for something sweet. So we're gonna see. Oh, I also got them fruits, so let me show you. So I got them clementines for baby bugs up here, sorry, yogurt. Grapes and clementines. And then I got them some strawberries, 2 packs of raspberries, some mangoes, and then pineapple chunks. So I'm gonna be cooking 2 Cornish hens. 2 hens. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. If you're not part of the Madness fam, hit that subscribe button and become part of the Madness fam. So I have my 2 hens here. I'm going to wash them with water and vinegar, and then I'm going to season them. I'll show you the seasoning part. Okay, the hens are all clean. So I'm going to put sazon. So I'm putting some on the front of them. So 1 packet, half on the front of each. You can put it in the pan, that's fine. Put some adobo. You can season it any way you like. Your seasoning is your business. Garlic. Rub it and flip and do the same on the back. Both sides are seasoned. Gonna poke holes.
She's putting all just all her stress in there.
Yeah.
How are you doing that?
You have to get the seasonings to go inside so it'll be dry inside. Okay, then I'm gonna put butter around. I'll show you. Okay, I put some butter and some thyme, some butter and some basil. Then we're going to throw it in the oven for an hour. Make it in the oven for an hour and an hour and a half. I am making some buttered rice. So what I do is I put the rice first. I wash out my rice in cold water until the water is clear with the rice in the pot. I add in how much butter? I forgot, but I add in some butter. I let the butter melt and I move it around, and then I let the water form a boil. When it forms a boil, I lower down the heat and then I cover and cook. Nice and done. I made a flip so you can see that it's cooked all the way through. No pink, no blood. It's juicy and soft. I had it on 375 for an hour and a half. Let me show you my rice. My rice is done. I had it cooking with some butter for 45 minutes. If you haven't liked the video, make sure you like it. Leave anything in the comments. Make sure you leave a squirrel and a heart or a chicken and a heart. Love you. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and nobody loves you like God loves you and like you love you. Bye.